Maybe you're new to safety and you wondered, where do I start? Well, if that's you, then this is the place you need to be. I'm David, and this is Help with OSHA, the place where I help busy managers prevent accidents, avoid OSHA, because no one should get hurt at work. Now, in my last video, we talked about something really important. We talked about the Safety Manager's Guide. Now, this is a step-by-step process that I've put together to help a new safety manager get his feet under him and really hit the ground running. And so you can download this free guide at helpwithosha.com, but in this guide, I walk through 6 steps. The very first step, the one I want to talk about in this video, is the safety assessment. That's the first place you have to start if you're a new safety manager or if you're new to a company. So, what is a safety assessment? A safety assessment is kind of like when you go to lose weight. What do I mean by that? Well, if you've ever tried to lose weight, maybe you've made a New Year's resolution to get healthy and get in shape, you have to start out by stepping on the scale. You have to step on the scale to figure out where you are now so you know where you want to be in a month, 3 months, even a year from now. Same is true with a safety assessment. The safety assessment is like a snapshot in time that tells you exactly where you are today so you know where you need to improve and what you need to work on. It helps you prioritize what you're going to be improving. Now, there's 3 parts to the safety assessment. The first part is, where is someone going to get seriously hurt or killed? The second part is, where is someone most likely to get injured? And the third part is, what's good for business or what's bad for business. So let's start with the first part. The first part is severity. You want to look at, where is an employee most likely to get seriously hurt on the job? Now, this is typically going to be with heavy machinery. Maybe it's lockout, tag out. It could be with a fall, like not wearing fall harnesses. It could be with powered industrial trucks, having a forklift or different type of operators in a small area. And it could be with, confined space, falls, lockout, tag out. So those are usually the 3 most common places that somebody could get killed on the job. Now, of course, there's other places, but I want you to go out with a fresh pair of eyes, get on the floor and look at the equipment and the people. Where are people working and how are they working where someone could get seriously hurt or possibly killed? That's the first step. The next part of the assessment is, you want to look at frequency, meaning, where is someone most likely to get seriously hurt? Where is someone going to slip and fall? Where is somebody going to get cut? These are the accidents that, when you ask around, people will tell you, oh yeah, well we've had 2 people get stitches in the past year, or we've had 3 people fall in the break room. These are areas we've got lots of lifting and strain injuries in the warehouse. These are injuries that happen frequently, but they're typically not severe injuries. So 1, severity, where's somebody going to get killed, where's somebody going to get seriously hurt. 2, frequency, where is someone most likely to get hurt. And 3, what's bad for business, or what should we be doing that's good for business. This is where the OSHA regulations fall. So I'd say this all the time with managers. The OSHA regulations, they're the low bar. We should be meeting those easily. But we want to look at, do we have all the basic safety requirements needed for our industry? So walk around. Some of the most common are machine guarding, or blocked extinguishers, or a blocked exit, or trip hazards. These are things that we look at and we go, housekeeping wise, this just isn't good. We want to clean up our areas and put more accountability around this. So that's the overall part of the safety inspection. Again, go to Help with OSHA. You can download your free guide. This will help. But we also want to make sure that we're on the floor. This doesn't have to take a week or a month, but it should take a solid day, at least a day, where you're focused solely on safety. Don't forget to ask questions. I encourage people, ask questions, ask questions, ask questions. You don't know everything. They don't expect you to know everything. You're new. So take your time and ask questions of employees, supervisors, managers, maintenance personnel. That's a key part to the safety assessment also. Now, in the next video, we're going to be talking about record keeping and some of the past OSHA logs and different things that might have happened in the previous 5 years. So stay tuned for that. On that note, I'll let you get back to work. Until we talk again, be safe so no one gets hurt at work.